Legoland's Galacticoaster is now open in Florida. Chief Engineer Biff Dipper explains our mission, which is to go into space and attract brick separators to break apart the asteroid of probable destruction that is flying toward our space station. Here's the POV.
Sector Alpha ahead. Separator swarm up ahead. Hold it steady. That's a big swarm. Head for the asteroid. They're taking it apart. Change course, now. Let's get out of here.